Hello guys, welcome to episode 10 of this series. This is the last episode of this Blazor fundamentals series, but of course I'm going to tell you how you can continue your learning using the other playlists on the channel as well. As the topic of the last episode, I am going to support and implement the deletion of patients. So right now we are creating, a full CRUD application. So we've got this endpoint that returns all, patients, this endpoint that returns one specific patient. We can also, create new patients. All there is to do now is to create another endpoint to delete patients. So I'm going to create this HTTP delete endpoint that takes an ID as an input parameter. And then, of course, we're going to go through that patients list and find the patient whose ID matches the ID we've got here. If we can find it, we're going to delete it. Otherwise, we're going to say not found. It was not found. So if we have deleted it, we're going to return no content. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to allow the user to kind of click, for example, on a button and delete an employee. So if, for example, we go to the patients page, we see that here we've got this TD tag that is going to take the user to the next let's say page, the patient details page. So we're going to put details, for example, here, another th tag for, let's say, operations. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to add a button here inside of a TD tag to allow the user to delete the patient in question. So as you can see here, I am invoking, let me delete this. I am invoking a function called confirm delete. And I am going to pass the ID of the current patient. Now all I need to do is to create that, confirm delete. So it's going to be a function with an ID. I am going to use JavaScript interop to invoke some JavaScript code. And if confirmed is true, I'm going to get to my backend API called delete async, pass the ID of the patients, and if I get a status code of success, I'm going to say that that patient is removed. So let's remove it from the list as well. Patients.remove. And then we're going to, for example, call state has changed to update the UI of the application. Now, because I am using JavaScript interop allows you to run some simple JavaScript code from your C# code. What I need to do now is to import a dependency. After the HttpClient, I'm going to import this dependency, and that is going to allow me to run this piece of code. Now let me go ahead and run the application to see if it works. I've got some issues, so I think I'm gonna have to add a curly brace here. Now let me run it one more time. So I've got two patients. I've got the details, view, operations, delete. I'm gonna delete this. This is the confirm confirmation box that the JavaScript interop is going to show us. If I go with OK, I'm going to send that request to the backend API, and I'm going to delete that patient. So this is working as well. Let me close out this one, and we're done. We're done with this application for now. So we went through 10 episodes, and we implemented this fundamental application. My goal was to teach you the basic concepts of developing Blazor applications in a real domain, a clinic management system with an entity called patient. Right now We've got 4 CRUD operations covered: creating, reading, deleting. We do not have updating yet, but we're gonna implement that as well. This episode is the last episode of this series, but your learning doesn't have to stop here. I'm gonna create another playlist, and I'm gonna continue working on this application. But in that playlist, I'm not gonna deal with basic fundamental topics. I'm gonna move towards more advanced topics. You can easily find it on the channel. So when you're watching this episode, chances are I've already implemented that application and created that playlist as well. So check out the channel. I am probably going to put the link to that playlist in the description of the episodes from this series. There is another playlist that I recommend watching. It is about testing Blazor applications using BUnit as a testing framework. That is going to be, again, a perfect option for you to deepen your understanding of Blazor if you're interested in, for example, testing Blazor applications. So I hope you've enjoyed watching the episodes of this series. I hope you've learned a lot of things, and I will see you in the next one.